Welcome to another Little Nest house tour where modern living meets the serenity of nature. Today, we're exploring a compact modern 4-bedroom house that's big on style and functionality. We start our tour in the front yard, where the simple modern facade of the house is softened by hanging plants and greenery, adding a touch of nature to the scene. Stepping inside, we enter the living room, designed for lounging and entertainment, perfect for cozy movie nights or gatherings with friends. Across from the living room is the dining room, featuring sliding doors that open to the backyard, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. As we continue into the corridor, we pass by the stairs leading to the second level and discover the washer and dryer conveniently tucked under the stairs, making great use of this space. Opposite the washer and dryer, we find the first full bathroom, designed both for guests and to service the bedroom on this level. Next door to this bathroom, we come across the first bedroom. With its simple modern design, work desk, and ample storage, this room is ideal for use as a guest room or home office. Right across from this bedroom, we head into the galley-style kitchen. This thoughtfully laid out kitchen offers views of the backyard and pond, making meal prep a delight. Venturing out to the side of the house, we discover a charming stepping stone walkway that crosses over a serene pond, adding a touch of adventure and intrigue. Following this path leads us to a shaded, sunken lounge area in the backyard, offering a tranquil spot to unwind or entertain, with a delightful view of the pool. Heading back inside and up to the second level, we find the second full bathroom, serving 2 of the bedrooms on this level. The modern dark interior and uncluttered layout create a soothing atmosphere. The second bedroom is an exact copy of the first bedroom and also offers views of the front yard. Immediately adjacent to this room, we arrive at the third bedroom, which, though staged as a baby's room, could also serve as an office or a room for older children. Heading across the hall, we arrive at the master bedroom. This fully ensuite room boasts a generous layout with a TV console, work desk, and a plant balcony overlooking the front yard, with a folding door design that blurs the lines between inside and outside, bringing nature into the room. On the opposite side of the room, overlooking the pool, we find the walk-through wardrobe, seamlessly leading us into the ensuite bathroom. Here, a double vanity, toilet, and shower await, offering both functionality and style. Finally, we head up the stairs to the rooftop. Here, a large pergola provides shade to the rooftop lounge. With ample seating, a dipping pool, and encircled by lush plants for privacy, the rooftop is the perfect space for hosting small parties or simply relaxing on a lazy afternoon. This house is 9 meters wide and 9 meters long, sitting on a site that is 15 meters wide and 30 meters long. For detailed layouts, visit us at littlestnest.com. Little Nest, the journey to your dream home starts here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment and hit subscribe for more content like this. Oh look, here is another video you might enjoy.